Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Rio Skinners. Hello, welcome to the first day back at the Excel Center about what my thoughts were about what my thoughts were waking up in the morning on today. Like honestly, you guys, I have been trying to get up early like every day. And I've been trying to do me like a new routine. In this new routine, just honestly to let you guys know, I think this routine has been like one of the greatest ideas because there at the Excel Center, I get the help of Rachel and Hannah Anderson, both on my class right now, which I just feel really, really, really excited about. I feel really, really blessed that they are there to help me. And also, you guys, I am feeling really excited about and looking forward to going tomorrow to the Excel Center, like checking out like what's going on, like what's gonna happen on that day. Plus, I got me some new headphones, which are right here. These are called the bone congested headphones. Now the reason why they are called that is a interesting thing. It's because they stick on your skull. Like the headphones are right here. So they automatic listen to you, which I think is really kind of cool. So you guys also got like several different areas that you guys can go to, like for instance, like even today I did some different. So far today, I haven't played my game the entire day today, which honestly, I just feel way more relaxed. I'm starting to do that only one time per day. And honestly, you guys, I just feel so very, very, I just feel so very excited about that I'm like so close on completing the Excel Center, which I felt really excited about. And also what I'm looking forward to is honestly, like once I get done with the Excel Center, I'm going to be doing me like a volunteer job. And I don't know where the volunteer job is, so nobody get any bright ideas. So I know that the places are not going to be the following: animal shelter, or even a couple different areas that are inside the areas of Indiana. Like some places may authorize me to like help them out with media, but that's the first thing that I'm gonna have to do on that end is that I'm gonna have to get clearance from my mom. Which honestly, you guys, I am I'm probably just going to be happy to be done with the Excel Center. It has been really fun, and I just think the people there are just so very nice. They honestly, you guys, if you guys just go check out the Excel Center at the excelcenter.org. The Excel Center can really change your guys' mind on education. And I want you guys to give, if you guys ever go to like a new place and you guys don't know for sure if you guys are even going to like it, what I recommend is that you guys give it a 401 chance. A 401 chance means that you guys go around, and then after that you guys go look around like at the different Rio screens if you guys get like nervous or anything. And if you guys like say, hey, I'm going to think about doing some different radio frequencies and like listening to those kind of stuff. Like honestly, you guys, that is okay. Because sometimes we like to use radio frequencies, and sometimes we do, but until a complete area where I like to use, it's actually a really good thing. Because every day when I help out with Rio Skinners, sometimes I'm gonna give you guys a story, okay? This story, I was going all the way out to the area of Horseshoe Center, Indiana, and then after that, we ran into a fire. Like a crash. And I was like, hey, Mom, I think you turned the wrong way because we are getting close to that crash. And she did not believe me until we got close. Which honestly, I thought that was really kind of interesting too. So the thing that I try to do, like every time I look up on the radio frequencies, I do some thinking about like what kind of radio frequencies in that minute would I like to listen to. And that's the idea of why you guys probably never even thought that I listen to radio frequencies like wherever I go. That's the reason why I have me such a great cell phone. That's the reason why I use 2 Rio Skinner apps on my phone. I use Skinner Radio for primary use. I use broadcastify calls for unlimited use of Rio Skinner coverage. I use RadioReference.com as a help for me if there's any new areas that I am wondering about the Rio Skinner traffic. Now, if the area doesn't have Rio Skinner traffic and I'm wondering what the radio frequencies are, I just write it down like on a Rio Skinner database, and then after that I just look around and see if the Indiana Gaming Commission, if French Lick Resort, if West Baden Springs, or if any of those places change their radio frequencies, that would be a bad thing. Because we already seen, like, whenever we go to like French Lick, they changed their Rio Skinners. They changed their Rio Skinner policy there, which I think is so very silly. Like, you guys also see this like on so many varieties of places too. So like the places you guys go to, that's on my mind, and I think these areas are a really good area. Now let's just say if you guys go all the way over to like a new area, like for instance, like let's just say you guys are going over to, let's just say, Sevier County, and you guys are down there for a long time, and you guys don't know like what's the Rios going on there. You guys don't know like what's going on there. And that's the reason why I recommend you guys use RioReference.com, because RioReference.com, for my assurance, that is a good website for you guys to use because of 4 things. The first thing is that their Rio Skinner coverage on everything is so very good. There are different realities on each thing. Like let's just say we are taking a visit to an airport, and that airport allows radio communication coming on your Skinner. Well, that's very judgmental for the area of you're going to. Just saying. Louisville International is okay about it if you wear an earpiece. The Orlando airport's okay about it. But Knoxville in the Gatlinburg area, they have some pretty strict Rio Skinner protocols, which I think is really kind of silly, because you guys cannot listen to like their Rio Skinners, their police radio chatter. You guys can only hear that from Pigeon Forge, which I think is so very silly. So what I'm going to show you guys right now on TV is like what I'm watching. So that right there I'm currently watching is Autism Royalty Family. This channel is such a great channel, you guys. This channel is talking about so much great stuff. Now, this family is a Mexican family, but they live in the United States, in the Bakersfield area. So I hope everybody's having a great night. If you guys are, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And in the top video I'm trying to get up to right now, the top subscriber I'm trying to get up to now is 130. So if you guys get up to that mark, please make sure and do so, because I do not want you guys to miss all the way until my graduation. Have a great day, YouTube. I will see you guys back in my next video. Have a great day.